Apple's iPhone 17 Pro is the top-end flagship smartphone that features a powerful A19 Pro 3nm chip with 12 gigabytes of RAM and an impressive Super Retina XDR OLED display. The triple camera system includes wide, ultra-wide, and new tetraprism telephoto lenses offering up to 8x optical quality zoom, as well as pro-grade video features like ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording. The phone runs on iOS 26, which offers a range of connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, satellite SOS, USB-C with USB 3 speeds, and supports fast charging to 50% in about 18 minutes. The aluminum-ceramic body comes in colors like silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange, providing an attractive design for users who prefer sleek aesthetics. The iPhone 17 Pro packs a battery life of up to 33 hours on a larger 4,252 mAh unit, which is excellent for everyday use. Additionally, the phone. Stay tuned until the end. I will reveal the expected release window and price range together. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and tap the bell for more honest breakdowns. For materials and finish. The phone measures approximately 208.5 millimeters x 69.3 millimeters x 7.4 millimeters in size and weighs around 170 grams, 6.1 ounces. Its bezels are slim at just under 2.9 millimeters and have a thickness of 6.3 millimeters, providing minimal intrusion into the display area while still allowing for an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, iPhone 17 Pro comes in stunning finishes such as silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange, which add visual depth and contrast to the phone's appearance. Cameras front and back in focus. The iPhone 17 Pro features a triple 48MP camera system, including an ultra-wide lens with a new tetraprism telephoto lens offering up to 8x optical quality zoom. This setup provides exceptional depth and detail in low-light conditions, making it perfect for capturing landscapes and portraits. The wide lenses also feature multiple f-stops, allowing users to adjust the exposure of each image independently, providing excellent control over brightness levels and color temperature. The camera system is further augmented by a new telephoto lens that offers up to 3x optical zoom, delivering sharpness and detail at distances greater than the standard 10 millimeters. This allows for incredible close-ups and macro photography, making it ideal for capturing intricate details in still life or wildlife shots. The lenses are also equipped with ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording capabilities, providing professional-grade image quality that can be edited further post-processing. In terms of night mode, the iPhone 17 Pro. Depth TOF and sensing capabilities. The iPhone 17 Pro's LiDAR sensor, also known as time of flight, TOF, provides a groundbreaking level of depth perception and object tracking capabilities. This advanced technology allows the phone to accurately detect objects up to several meters away in real time, making it ideal for tasks such as augmented reality gaming, autonomous driving, and industrial inspection. To further enhance its LiDAR capabilities, Apple integrates a third-party sensor called compressible light detection and ranging, CLDR, which works alongside the time-of-flight sensor. Together, these two sensors enable the iPhone 17 Pro to accurately capture depth data using light waves that bounce back from objects in the scene. The LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 17 Pro also supports other sensors like compressible light scanner, CLS, and Ultra. Collision safety, what is protected? The phone features a triple camera system packed with advanced sensors for capturing high-quality images and videos in different lighting conditions. It includes wide, ultra-wide, and a new tetraprism telephoto lens that offers up to 8 times optical quality zoom, making it suitable for both low-light scenarios and landscapes. In addition, the phone supports ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording, providing professional-grade video capabilities for filmmakers, content creators, and enthusiasts alike. The iPhone's camera system is protected by its advanced LiDAR sensors that enable real-time object detection and tracking, ensuring accurate and precise depth measurements during low-light or close-up photography. The phone also features a night mode with adaptive brightness adjustment to adjust the exposure. Video specs and color science. The triple 48MP camera system features wide, ultra-wide, and a new tetraprism telephoto lens offering up to 8 times optical quality zoom, alongside ProRes. E-video features like ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording. The iPhone 17 Pro's video specifications are impressive, featuring a wide range of HDR log color profiles for vivid contrast and dynamic range. In a box and optional extras. In the box and optional extras, Apple's iPhone 17 Pro 2025 is a high-end device that sets new standards in camera performance and battery efficiency. Inside the box lies the standard accessories package, including a fast charger, a lightning cable, and a case. The standout feature of this device is its triple 48-megapixel camera system with wide, ultra-wide, and a new tetraprism telephoto lens offering up to 8x optical quality zoom. This allows you to capture breathtaking landscapes, portraits, and action shots that rival those taken by professional photographers. Additionally, the phone supports ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording, ensuring smooth workflow even in demanding video editing tasks. The iPhone 17 Pro's built-in battery can provide up to 33 hours of continuous. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro is the top-end flagship phone, equipped with a powerful A19 Pro 3nm chip that features 12 GB of RAM and an 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion 120Hz, always-on mode, and 3000 nit peak brightness. The triple camera system includes wide, ultra-wide, and a new tetraprism telephoto lens offering up to 8 times optical quality zoom, alongside pro-grade video features like ProRes RAW, Dolby Vision, and log recording. This phone runs on iOS 26 and supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, satellite SOS, USB-C with USB 3 speeds, and comes with a redesigned aluminium-ceramic body in colors like silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange. It offers about 33 hours of video playback on a larger 4,252 mAh battery, fast charging to 50% in approximately 20 minutes using the MagSafe wireless charging system. And if this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.